my name is Yuvika Prohit and today we have Raman Shukla sir with us. He's community lead and initiator of IHRC community Indore. Hi sir, let us know about what is IHRC community first of all.
First of all, thank you so much, Yubika, for inviting me to your podcast. So, I'm Raman Shukla, and I have initiated the IHRC concept, the Indore HR Circle. So, it's basically a community of HR professionals in Indore who are living in Indore and who are working in the Indore corporate company, IT companies. So, we have a group of HR and we have a WhatsApp community also. So, we have around 150 plus professional HR connected in this platform. And IHRC used to do various conclave, various meetups in the quarterly basis, just to keep the HR engaged apart from their work and the professional.
Sir, how this started? Like why you thought this?
So basically, I used to go in the various conclave, or you can say in the various meet. That was the professional meets. So I thought we do live the corporate life in the office hours also, but when we go in the corporate event, there also we feels like a same corporate life. So I thought for the relaxed mode we have to be get out of the corporate life. So for the HR professionals, I thought let's create some fun type environment for them. Apart from work, they should connect with the other companies HR also. Just imagine if all the HRs of Indore are connected at one platform. This will really advantage us in hiring process, referral process for the job seekers. And suppose if any applicant comes to my company and I don't have that profile, and one of my friend is HR and he have that profile in the office, I will definitely refer to him. Now you can see the advantage of HR.
So you have recently collaborated with Symbiosis. So why colleges right now? Like it's a HR program. What colleges can help you with this?
Sure. It was my first event of IHRC in the HR Circle team, and it was the first collaboration with the university. So for the university, we thought here we have three advantages. We will be getting connected with the panelists. We will be getting connected with the Symbiosis management, college management, and we will be coordinating with the students of this studying in the university. So we have a panel discussion. When two speakers discuss between them, it's a knowledgeable for the who are looking for that panel discussion. So we did the HR counseling, that is also helpful for the students. So it was a great experience. And recently I see a news Symbiosis has been recorded a second position in the NIRF. So that was the best, that makes the best university for that. So we have collaborated with them.
Thank you so much for your insight, sir. It was so thankful for talking with you.
Thank you so much, Yubika, for having me. It was a nice talking with you. Thank you so much for your channel.